Hello and welcome to the official MOZA Racing track guide for the F4 Esports Regional Tour on iRacing. This week's track is Circuit Zolder and the guide's been provided by myself, Sambo iRacing. Let's start the hot lap. Here we are smashing it down the main straight, looking for our braking marker into turn 1, which is the end of these Coca-Cola signs on the right hand side. Get on the brakes at about 50%, trail it off down to 4th gear, clipping the corner, exit nice and wide, head over to the left hand side, and we're just lightly on the brakes at about 30% into turn 2. On the gas nice and early again, it's going to send you out wide. We really want to be making sure that we're hitting every one of these curbs. The next one, we're looking for this entrance road on the left hand side. When we get there, lightly on the brakes at about 10%, drop it down to 4th, just clipping the curb at the apex and the curb on the exit as well. As we come up to the chicane, what we're looking for is just before the start of the white and red markings on the walls here. Get on the brakes up to about 85%, down to 3rd gear, back on the gas ahead of the second apex. Now head over to the left hand side, and we're going to start braking just where the apex of this white line is at its sort of zenith, over to the right hand side. Get on the brakes up to about 90%. We're going to drop it all the way down to 2nd gear, back on the gas, flat out through the 3rd apex on exit. Legs it nice and wide, clipping the corner at the apex here. And now we look for our braking marker into what is effectively a hairpin, and it's going to be this braking marker on the left hand side. That lets you know that you're going to get on the brakes at about 90%, drop it down to 2nd gear, back on the gas, 1st gear, sorry. We've got one final bit of braking to come into this next chicane, and what we're going to use is this braking marker here on the right hand side, the 100 board. We go through there, then we get on the brakes at about 80%, drop it down to 3rd, absolutely flat through the last apex. We pin our ears back for the line, and over and across we go in a 129.7. Join us again this week on iRacing for the F4 Esports Regional Tour presented by MOZA.